Hello, today I'm in Kia Stinger. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable seat heating. In the beginning, let's take a look in the center console. Right here we've got this panel. To enable seat heating, push this button for the driver's seat and this button for the passenger seat forward. It's crucial to push it forward because if you push it downwards you will use seat ventilation. So when the orange LED light is on, it means that seat heating is enabled. You can push it again and again to change its intensity or turn it off. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.